So let us start with our today's session, that is uh, that is Hill cipher and transposition technique. So today into last lectures we have seen many of the encryption techniques. Okay, so into encryption technique we have seen playfair. Okay, in which we have gone through these all number of. Okay, so this is what we have seen to make our playfair. Okay, this is what the theory is. Okay, and then we have given some uh, something that is for practice. Okay, so I think you have done this into your notebook. Okay, so those who have done, they please give their answer into a chat box. Okay, they can give your answer into a chat box of these key, that is the key for engineering, and the plain text is taste this process, and the other is key is keyword and come to the window. This is what is our. Okay, this 256. Okay, so PITU PM GT. Okay, so okay, and other one is. Okay, LCN GQCEW. Okay, so this is what we have seen into the playfair example. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the same as well. Okay, this is what we have done, and this is the example of as well. Okay, so let us start with today's session for one-time padding. So one-time padding is which is a provably secure crypto system, was developed by Gilbert Burnham in 1918. Uh, and on the basis of one-time padding also we can say the Burnham has developed a monoalphabetic and polyalphabetic substitution technique. The message represented as a binary string, a sequence of zeros and ones using a coding mechanism such as ASCII coding. So here we are going to learn. We are going to see. So here what we are going to see is the answer into the zeros and ones. Okay. So screen is visible. Is the screen is visible to all? Okay. Okay. So here we are going to learn about the key is into a zeros and ones. Okay, however the zeros and ones means it is an ASCII coding. So for ASCII coding we use zeros and ones. So here when we are taking. Okay, so the key is truly a random sequence of zeros and ones of the same length as the message. So what we have, if we take a length of 5, okay, sorry, if we take the length of 10, and our keyword or a plain text is of just 5 characters, so the rest of the 5 characters will have to edit as well. So we'll have to convert into each and every character into a binary form, and then we'll have to add zeros over the remaining number of characters. Okay, so the key will be there as well. We'll see that example. Okay, so this is what an example is. The message is if. Message is if. Okay, so if it is the message, then the ASCII code will be this. Okay, and key will be the this. Okay, so 100 1001 and 1000011 is our ASCII code of if. And if we have an ASCII code as a key, 1010110, then 0110101, so will be the key. So what will be the ciphertext? 110 000 111 101
सर
011.
पाछू
Yes.
सर
Hello.
वापिस करा ना ये फर्स्ट स्टार्टिंग से एडिशन की है
See, it is the similar to minus minus plus 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 minus 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 plus minus. In the same way, if we wish to convert a plain text into a ciphertext along with the key, what we'll have to do? See here, we convert if into an ASCII code. We'll have an ASCII code of I will be 100 1001, and the ASCII code of F will be the 1000011 and 0. And the key, if we have a key 10101100100110001. So if this is my ASCII code, now see, if we have a two ones, okay, will be result into 0. If we have 20, will be the 0. If either into a plain text or a key, if we have an 1, okay, single in any, if it is 0, and 1 will result into 1. If we have in a plain text 1, in a key we have a 0, the answer will be 1. So here is what, if we have a two ones will have a 0, two zeros will have a 0, but any of either is having 1 will have an answer is 1. Okay, so here also 011 011 101 101 011 011 000 101 101 01. Okay, so here is what, here actually it comes to the 1 actually. So we'll have a, we'll have a ciphertext of this. So this is a very good method for the encryption, but the thing is it becomes very tedious for a processor and other substitution tech to decrypt it as well. Okay, because the number of uh, the padding, number of padding of zeros or ones will be more as well. So this is what we, it is not feasible for actual decryption of it. So this is and apart than this, we have a very good other number of numeric methods to uh, solve this issue using Hill cipher. So into a Hill cipher, what we have a algebraic method. Okay, and each letter is represented by a number from 0 to 25, as we have calculated into and Caesar cipher. We have for each and every alphabet 0 to A to Z will have a 0 to 25 alphabet. So we calculate on the basis of modulo of 26. So 0 to 25 will be 26 character, and we'll have to use that modulo of 26. Okay, so for example, we for encryption and decryption we use C equal to the key plain text key mode of 26, and for the decryption plain text equal to ciphertext inverse mode of 26. Okay, so here is what we need to have a uh, the matrix form. Okay, So if we, as number of key is the ciphertext that we wish to have, okay, is equal to, for example, plain text 1, plain text character 2, plain text 3, and the number of keys will make a number of matrix. So here we have seen in 3 by 3 cross 3 matrix and modulo of 26. So mode 26 will be the generation of the 26, uh, the numeric form of a 26 into a character. We'll see an example, numeric example as well. So here we have an 3 cross 3 matrix. So we'll have to make P1 into K1 1, P2, the P1, P1 K1 1, P1 K2 1, P1 K31. So for each and every alphabet we'll have to uh, key alphabet will have to multiply by key, whatever the resultant answer will be there, then will have to make an modulo of 26. So this is what we have an example of a hill cipher. Okay, so let us see an example of it. So what we'll have to do, let us see. uh, To encrypt a message using Hill cipher, we must first turn our keyword and plain text into a matrix. Okay, if it is a 2 cross 2 or 3 cross 3 matrix, then okay. So for example, we have a key equal to Hill. Okay, and plain text is exam. Okay, so here we have an 4 character for hill, and 4 characters for exam. Okay, so what we have an E to Z characters manipulation, so from 0 to 25, and again we'll have to make it for 26 modulo. Okay, so what will be my uh, key matrix for hill? So HILL. Okay, again we again go back to our play fair where we made a two characters pair. Okay, so two character નું જે આપણે we have made a pairing of it. So we'll have HILL equal to the C. So what do we have? We have an H. Okay, where is H? H is here. Okay, so here what we have? We have an character 7. Then what we have? We have I. I is this one. Okay, then hill, again we'll have hill, that is this one. Okay, so into a hill, how many number of characters will be there? We have HILL, so we make it to cross to matrices. Okay, then so this is my numeric form of hill. 7 8 11 means 11 and 11. This is my key for encryption. Okay, then what? Let us go ahead. Okay, this is my plain text. Okay, so EXAM. Okay, EXAM. So here what we have, the two pair of it. So what do we have? 4. Okay, E is 4 again. Okay, again what do we have? We have a 4. E, it is a 4. Okay, आज कर लिए. Okay, then A belongs to numeric number 0. Then X will be the 23 here, so it is a 23. So we have a 23, and A12 will be sorry, M is 12. Okay, so here is 12. So this is what EXAM will be my plain text. Okay, so this is my plain text with the help of which we'll have to multiply the multiply the matrix. Okay, so let us go ahead. So how, what do we have? HILL Hill 7811, and plain text will be EXAM equal to 4023 and 20 and 12. Okay, now let us apply these this formula for key matrix and plain text. So we'll have to put hill the key along with the instead of k, and plain text this, that is 423012 instead of plain text. Okay, in this way. Okay, so let's see what happens over here. 27811, first we are taking in with the help taking first we are taking this. First we are taking 4 and 23. Okay, so 4 and 23 with the multiplication of this matrix. So what do we do? 4 7 into 4, that is plus 8 into 23. Okay, what do we have? We have a numerator to 1 2, and again we'll have to make the multiplication of for of the denominator, means that is 11 into 4, 11 into 4 plus 11 into 3 equal to 297. Okay, the same we'll have to do with the help of matrix. Okay, with 0 and 12. Let us see what happens. Okay, so this is what is my the matrix answer. Okay, again, so here if we make the modulo of this, okay, so it will be E and L. If we make the modulo of this, we'll have the E and L. Okay, again what do we have? 0 and 12. 7 8 11 11. 7 into 0 0 plus 8 into 12 into equal to 96. 11 into 0 plus 11 into 12 is equal to 132. So 96 by 132, numerator is 96 and denominator is 132. So when we make the modulo of this, we'll have n 18 and 2. 18 and 2 will be 18, modulo of number is 18 by 2. So answer is S and C. So what will be my first the cipher text using Hill cipher will be ELSC. Okay, this is my cipher text. Okay, okay, getting.
No, sir.
Okay, so I request you to write it into your notebook as well.
सर लास्ट स्टेप समझ नहीं आया वो.
कौन सा? So this one.
हाँ हाँ.
See, okay, let us go. What do we have? See, see, पहला यहाँ जोई लो. This is what we have. Okay, this is what we have. That is E equal to 4. Okay, જે okay, હવે અહીંયા શું આવ્યું? 4 આવ્યું, તો એનો conjugate શું છે? E, alphabet. હવે ન્યુમેરિક માંથી આપણે alphabet માં
4
convert.
કેવી રીતે આવ્યું સર?
આનો 212 નો મોડ્યુલો કરો તો કેટલો આવશે? મોડ્યુલો 26 કરો.
એટલે સર 212 ને મોડ્યુલેટ બાય 26 કરવાનું ને?
હા જી.
ઉપર નીચે નહીં કરવાનું મોડ્યુલ એમ ને?
ના ના ના, એવું નહીં કરવાનું. હવે 212 નો મોડ્યુલો 26 લેવાનું અને 297 નો મોડ્યુલો 26 લેવાનો. એટલે 4 અને 11 જે આવશે, 4 અને 11 એના કોન્જુગેટમાં તમે જુઓ 4 જે છે એ શું છે અહીંયા? 4 જે છે અહીંયા આપણી પાસે શું છે? E. તો અહીંયા શું આવશે? 4 ને કોન્જુગેટમાં શું આવશે? અને 11 ના કોન્જુગેટમાં શું આવશે? 11. એટલે આપણે 4 માંથી પછી we'll have to convert from numeric to again alphabet, that is 4 to 4 equivalent to E. and 11 will be equivalent to L. Okay, here also AS will be the equivalent to 18 will be equivalent to S. Okay, and 2 will be equivalent to C. So what will be my final answer will be this 18 2, that is SC will be, હવે આ બંનેને ભેગા કરી નાખો, ELSC. Okay, getting? Okay, so here is how we convert into plain text to the ciphertext also. Okay, so here we for decryption, okay, this is what we have made in decryption. We again will have to go for the inverse of it. Okay, so to find the decryption we'll have to go for the inverse of a matrix. So like that is multiply the multiplicative inverse of a determinant by the adjoint matrix and multiply inverse key matrix with ciphertext matrix to obtain a plain text. Okay, so this is how what do we have into A, B, C and D inverse matrix, where the 1 by AD minus CB. Okay, the A and into the determinant matrix, that is D, B, C, and this is what we have inverse of a matrix. હવે આનું હું inverse કરું તો પછી મને આ એનું equation છે 2 by 2 matrix નો. Okay, if we have a 3 cross 3 matrix, we'll have n 1 by determinant of A. It's the whole determinant છે adjoint of A. So JB मतलब જે બી you know the matrix જે છે will again have to adjoint of it. Okay, let us see the inverse of the same example. We have an key 7811, whatever we have calculated as per the hill. Okay, so hill નું આપણે numeric માં convert કર્યું જે આપણે already it is a key. Okay, then what we'll have the inverse, after we'll have to take the inverse. So when we are putting into the key into this example, we'll have this result. Okay, 1 by 77 minus 88 into bracket of 11 minus 8 minus 11 and 7. Okay, so what will be the answer of it will be 1 upon minus 11 અને 77 માંથી minus 88 કરો તો શું આવશે? minus 11 આવશે. Okay, so 11 minus 8 7. So now make the multiplication of it. Okay, so here the minus 11 mode 26 કરો તો it will be the positive, that is 15. So because the modulo for negative answer is n minus b into n, where the 26 minus 11 mode of 26, what the answer will be the 15. So now what happens, 1 by 15 કારણ કે મોડ્યુલો નેગેટિવ ના હોય. So again what do we have? We have 1 by 15 and 11 by 15 and 18 by 18 and 7 modulo of 26. If we make the modulo of it, આનો મોડ્યુલો આપણે કાઢીએ તો. Okay, then what we'll have to have inverse of a number A is 1 by A, since A into 1 by A equal to 1. So the inverse of 5 is 1 by 5, means 5 raised to minus 1. So here 1 by 5 will be the answer of numeric 5. The inverse of 5 will be 1 by 5. The the modular arithmetic, we do not have a division operation, so the modular inverse of A mod C is okay minus 1. So here A into A n minus A, I mean A raised to minus, the inverse of A will be the 1 mode of C. Then the example of JB A into A raised to minus 1, that is inverse of A mode of C equal to 1. Then A will be, if we make the modulo of it, A equal to 3 and C will be the 11. So 3 into 4 equal to mod of 11 equal to 1, and 4 is the modular inverse of 3. Inverse of 3, the a equal to 10, c equal to 17. And what will be the answer of 1 a raised to minus 1? That is inverse of a is 12. So modular inverse is
સર પેલું લાસ્ટ વાળું પાછું બતાવજો.
હા હા 3 4 जा 12 થાય ને.
હા.
Okay, so here I know modular determinant. See, I already predefined who the hill cipher જે આપણે modular inverse આપણે find કરીએ, so we'll have it over here. The determinant, if we have the inverse modulo of 26 will be, the inverse modulo of 26 will be this. Okay, so here 1 by 15 1 and 11 18 15 7 modulo 26 will be, that is 1 by 15 equal is 7. 7 क्या છે 15 નો ઇન્વર્સ મોડ્યુલ આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરીએ. ઓકે 1 by 15 છે એટલે 15 નો હું ઇન્વર્સ ફાઇન્ડ કરું તો શું આવ્યું મારી પાસે 7 આવ્યું. In the same fashion, okay, that joint આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરીએ. So 7 that is જો 1 ઇન્વર્સ મોડ્યુલ છે. હવે તમને કદાચ ક્વેશ્ચન આવે કે 7 ક્યાંથી આવ્યું, તો 7 એ 1 by 15 કરો તો એનું determinant will be the 7. Determinant value of modulo, that is 7. So here instead of 1 by 15 we write 7. So again see 7 11 18 15 7 equal to 7 11s are 77, 7 15s are 105, and 7 18s are 126, and 7 7s are 49. So what do we have? A modulo 26 of this matrix will be 25 22 1 and 23. So this is what the modular value of it. Now if the k equal to 7 8 11 then inverse of k will be, then k inverse will be the 25 1 2 22 23. then જો આ કી હોય તો સાઇફર ટેક્સ્ટ આપણી પાસે ELSC છે જે આપણે લાસ્ટમાં ડિરાઈવ કરી, and this is my numeric value of ELSC. So now put into the p equal to plain text equal to cipher text inverse of key mode of 26. So again we have this key and this 411, again 2 into 24 plus 22 into 11. What will be the answer? 342. 1 into 4 23 into 11, the answer will be 257. So the modulo of this will be 25 1 22 23 into 4 11 equal to 342 and 257. So the modulo of these 342 and 257 will be the 423 modulo of 26. So answer will be 4 and x. Okay, in the similarly we have the same equation over here, 27 1 22 23 18 and 2. Okay, so answer will be the 25 into 18 this into this plus 22 into 2 equal to 494, and here 1 into 18 plus 23 into 2 equal to 64. So the answer of this will be the 494 and into determinant of 64. So the modulo of this value, that is 0 12. Okay, so the 0th position is of a and 12th position into an alphabet is m. So what do we have? A and m. So the EXAM will be our plain text. Okay, so this is how we decrypt our cipher text to have plain text as well. Okay, this is a very nice algorithm, but the thing is what, it becomes more it becomes more tedious while conversion into from ciphertext to plain text to ciphertext, because it is based on pure mathematical formula. So each and every time, if we have a small number of text, then it is okay. But if we have a huge text which is to be encrypted, that is one for 5 to 10 pages, it takes long time, and the lags behind for the decryption as well. Okay, and again, the 100% of decryption may not occur because of some of the characters space, white space, or special characters. So this is how we we make this hill cipher is a good technique, good substitution technique. But we cannot recover the 100% of a text. We can have the accuracy of 98 or 99% as well. Okay, so here, this is what we have gone through. Okay, into the Paul alphabetic substitution technique. Okay, this is what the polyalphabetic, in which we have to convert more number of we'll have to take repetitive keys, like deceptive, again deceptive, again deceptive, till we have an character. Okay, and then we have to convert plain
સર
text. Yes.
સર હિલ સાઇફરમાં ઓડ નંબર્સ ની કી યા પ્લેન ટેક્સ્ટ હોય તો
હા,
મેટ્રિક્સ કેવી રીતે ફોર્મ કરવાનો?
શેનું ઓડ નંબર નું?
જેમ લાસ્ટ ટાઈમ હિલ હતું તો 4 લેટર્સ હતા ને એક્ઝામમાં
હા
બી 4 લેટર્સ હતા તો 2/2 કર્યું બટ 5
હા
या 7 એવા ઓડ નંબર્સ હોય તો મેટ્રિક્સ કેવી રીતે ફોર્મ કરવાનું?
હવે see, that is what you have to decide. મેં પહેલા બી કીધું કે you have to convert into, જો તમે if you have a key that is a 2 cross 2. Okay, if you have an 2 cross 2 matrix, or let us see, and like કયો કીવર્ડ આપવું આપણે? ડિસેપ્ટિવ લઈએ, ચલો. Okay, how many characters that we have? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth. Ninth નું છે 9 characters છે. હા કે ના?
હા
હા, એટલે મને ખબર પડે કે વેધર યુ એ ધ્યાન છે કે નહીં. હવે જો, that is
હા
what
સર
the
ધ્યાન છે
theory.
એટલે ડાઉટ આવે છે.
Now, doubt is good to have to be, and all the doubts to be solved is well. That is why in the beginning, it is it has been there. Either you take 2 cross 2. Okay, either you take 2 cross 2, or you make a matrix of 2 cross 3. Sorry, 3 cross 3. Okay, so તમે 2 cross 2 નું મેટ્રિક્સ બનાવો અથવા 3 cross 3 નું મેટ્રિક્સ બનાવો. If you make an 3 cross 3 matrix, so what will be DEC, પછી next line માં શું આવશે? EPT, and third line માં આવશે IVE. Okay, so જો હું એ લખીને બધું ખ્યાલ આવે તમને?
હા સર એટલે 9
હા
માં તો થઈ જાય બટ 7 કે એવો કોઈ નંબર હોય કે જે 2 cross 2 या 3 cross 3
હા,
या 4 cross
ત્યાં
4 માં
તમારે છે
સેટ
ને
નહીં
0
થતો.
લગાડી દેવાનો. ઓ એ લગાડી દેવો
સર
પડે.
કમ્પલસરી ઇવન નંબર બનાવવાનું એમ?
હા, even number બનાવી દેવો પડે. તો then what will happen? You have an exact the number of keys. Otherwise શું થશે? If we have deceptive માં e કાઢી નાખો, બરાબર? હું સપોઝ e કાઢી નાખું, સપોઝ હું e કાઢી નાખું, થેન્ક યુ હા, બરાબર? તો હું આ e કાઢી નાખું તો મારે કેટલા નંબર ઓફ કેરેક્ટર્સ થયા? 3 + 3 6 7 and 8. So હું complete matrix નહીં બને. Okay, so to make a complete matrix, what I have to do? I'll have to go for 2 cross 2 matrix or 3 cross 3 matrix. જો હું 2 cross 2 મેટ્રિક્સ બનાવું તો 2 2 4 2 6 2 8 તો 8 થઈ ગયા. હવે હું 3 માં જો તો 3 3 6 ને 3 9 બનાવવા બેસું તો પછી મારું મેટ્રિક્સ ઇનકમ્પ્લીટ રહેશે. સમજાયું હર્ષ?
સર 2 cross 2 માં તો 4 જ આવે ને.
2x2 માં હા, એ 2x2 એટલે છે ને તમારે કેવું કરવું પડે બકા, 2 into 2. એટલે યુઝ્યુઅલી આમાં કેવું થાય કે યુ કેન નોટ હેવ અ મોર નંબર ઓફ મેટ્રિક્સ ઇન્ટુ અ કી, પણ યુઝ્યુઅલી તમારે 3x3 મેટ્રિક્સ જવું પડે અને કી આટલી મોટી ના હોય. ઓકે, ઓકે. Okay, this is what the today's session. Tomorrow we will learn about the transposition technique. Into a transposition technique, here what we are juggling our characters. So transposition cipher does not a substitution one symbol for another. Instead of it changes the location of symbols, in symbols, or we say it is an characters. So and we juggle actually. Okay, there are only two to three number of techniques like transposition technique. We have a rail fence, we have a columnar technique, and we have a double columnar techniques. We are juggling our characters with respect to the technique. Okay. Okay, any other one? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, any other any doubt? Hello. Hello. Okay. No need to re-log in. We'll continue session tomorrow also. Okay. Good night. Goodbye.